Hello everybody, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And well, we've got another very interesting vehicle here today. This is a 2013 Toyota Vellfire VL edition. This is the top of the range version. This is the GGH25, which makes it a 3.5i automatic 6-speed auto, that is. 4-wheel drive selectable, 2 and 4-wheel drive. You'll also notice this vehicle's fitted with a Modelista body kit, and it's also, the previous owner has been adding bits to it, nice subtle bits. The trims down the side, the chrome trims down the sides of the bodywork, that's standard to the VL body kit. But you'll notice on the front fog lights there are chrome embellishments around the fog lights, also in the door mirrors. As you can see along the bottom edge of the rear door, there are extra chrome trims, and in the middle of the door, higher up, chrome trims. Somebody's really gone to some, trouble here to nicely, they've done it very tastefully, dress the car up. It doesn't look leery whatsoever. But this has got a full beige leather interior, and the specification is very high. It's got the big rear entertainment system, which I believe when it was new would have cost an additional million yen as an optional extra. They were optional, some of these items. There you can see the chrome embellishment around the rear fog lights down below. But there's something very unusual about this vehicle is it's also fitted with a disabled wheelchair access seat, the powered seat. But if anybody wanted this vehicle to just keep it as it was originally, the seat that was in the same location as this disabled access is actually in the back of the vehicle. So if somebody wanted to put it back to original, they could take this disabled access seat out of this vehicle and put it back to standard. So the original leather ottoman seat is in the back of the vehicle, all wrapped up in polythene with the rails that go into the floor. So I've never seen this before. I've never seen them do that. So the original seat that goes in this location is already in the car, and let's be honest, that seat that you're watching there operating, going in and out of the vehicle, if you went anywhere today, you wouldn't get that fitted into a car for less than £5,000. I imagine it today something like this will be more like 6,000 or 7,000. As you can see, it's got Isofix on it as well, so you can put a child seat on that. But there is the original leather seat, and it's the fixed armrest with the ottoman support at the front. You'll also notice this car's got curtains, which you don't always see them in these vehicles. It's got the curtains all round. It's absolutely spotless on the interior. The level of specification is very high. Heated front seats. As I said, it's got that big rear entertainment system. I think they've got something like 18 speakers. They've got 3 amplifiers in these. As you can see, there's the remote control. It's got spare keys. It's got all its handbooks and service books, although the car's not had hardly any services, but it's only done 10,000 miles from new. Look at the carpet on the step. No one's ever stepped on that much. They wear slippers when they get into this car. So the leather is perfect. Look at the armrest on the driver's side there. There's no wear showing on that whatsoever. So the little cup holders on the dashboard there, those are aftermarket extras. It's got 360 degree alt full surround, sky view cameras, as I like to call them. It's just bristling with specification. So this vehicle has been selected. In fact, it was myself that actually spotted this car coming up in the auctions. You see the seats there, they're powered seats to slide them back into, in the rear seats. So this car came up and I spotted it and I drew attention to it and I said, that wants buying. I said to my chap over there, and I said to him, get onto that car and see if we can get it, see if we can secure it. And well, sure enough, we did. And look at the level of specification there. You know, eco mode, parking sensors, traction control. It's got a push button start. There you go, 16,000 kilometres, 10,000 miles. If you look at the seats there, you'll notice there's your rear entertainment system. But if you look at the switches on the sides of the passenger seat for controlling the passenger seat from the driver's side position, it's got a lot, this vehicle has. So I spotted the car going to auction. I drew attention to it. I said, let's get this bought. It's cruise control there, as you can see, all your steering wheel controls. I must admit, the radio head unit, it would be limited as to how much it will work in the UK when you get it here. There are alternative head units you can fit and install, but you probably end up having to buy an additional wiring loom that goes in there to make it function properly. But we can talk to you about that. And so therefore, if anybody is interested in this vehicle, you need to get in contact with me. I work as an appointed agent based in the UK. I provide the opportunity for individuals to buy these cars at the same prices that I would pay if I was to buy it myself, and then they have to pay the same export fees. It's got 3 power doors as well on this, as well as the full sunroofs. The car, I couldn't think of extras above what this car's got already. I don't think there's anything else you could add to it. It is the full spec, memory seats, it's got everything. So I provide the opportunity to buy the car at the export trade price. If somebody wishes to purchase this vehicle, they can do, and you're not going to find a car like this in the UK. I'd be very surprised. These are the cars that stay in Japan normally and are bought by Japanese domestic dealers for resale in Japan. They don't come to the UK, mainly because UK dealers won't pay the price you have to pay to secure them in the auction in the first place, and they want to make a certain size of profit when they get the car back here, so they'll think they can't make the money out of it. So get in contact with me. My name's Paul. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.